Hi to all of you. Um, so we are doing a PMP project management professional. It's a preparation for PMP exam. It's 100 question and answer which I have prepared. So let's start. In every video, I do 10 questions because it takes long time. So let's start. Question number 61. What is crashing of schedule? In project management, crashing is the word which comes in they can ask crashing of schedule. So it means that you gonna accelerate. So accelerating activities on critical path and providing more resources. So what you will do, crashing means that you gonna accelerate all the activities on critical path and providing more resources. So that's called crashing of schedule. Question number 62. Explain 3 point estimates for activity duration calculation. So 3 point estimates is a statistic, and we use it in for the activities. Like sometime we got a new activity, a new work package, or new activity which has not done before, or it's quite complicated in engineering projects or other software or computer projects. So this is a statistic. So we use the equation TE is equal to T naught sorry, plus 4 TM plus TP divided by 6. So this is the equation you can use. Question number 63. What is TE, T naught, TM and TP? What does it mean in project management and in 3 point estimates? So I have write down here TE is equal to estimated duration for which activity you gonna calculate. T naught or T0 is equal to optimistic duration, Tm is equal to most likely duration, and Tp is equal to pessimistic duration. So, which three estimates usually, which time estimate, question number 64, which time estimate usually taken in project, which we can take like as a project manager, like, so we usually take Tm, and practically we take the time duration which is most likely time, not too much optimistic mean like everything goes well, and pessimistic mean that most of the thing are not goes well, but most likely which is practically occurred. So we use the word most likely. So here is a practical example. Question number 65. If activity A has uh, optimistic time 10 days, TP pessimistic time 20 days, and TM most likely time 14 days. So calculate estimated duration for an activity. They can ask you this question. So simply you have to put this in TE is equal to T naught plus 4 TM plus TP divided by 6. It's a beta distribution. If you want to do further study, it's called beta distribution. So you're gonna put the values T10 plus 4, 14. So most likely plus 20. So when you do the calculation, it comes out 14.33 or 14 days or 15 days. So far is good. Question number 66. What is optimistic time estimate? They sometime they what is what is T naught or optimistic time? Optimistic time in schedule. Schedule or budget. So If everything goes well, such that an activity can be completed on time, the chances for it in project is usually 1 in 10. So if everything goes well, so the short definition. So if everything goes well, but it is not possible. That's called optimistic time, but it is it is not possible practically. Practically, it's not possible. It's too optimistic. T not mean optimistic. 67. Question number 67. So, is a central limit theorem can be used to estimate project completion time using probability? This question can come. Is central limit theorem is central limit theorem is central limit theorem can be can be used is central limit theorem can be used to estimate project duration. Sometimes there is a problem in activities we cannot do the exact calculation. So this question can come here. Central limit theorem or bell shape curve can be used to estimate project duration. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Question number 68. So, what is the variance formula? What is what is the variance formula used in central limit theorem? Central limit theorem. CLT. I write down CLT, central limit theorem. So variance sigma square. Variance is equal to sigma uh, variance variance is equal to sigma power square. Sigma square is equal to bracket TP pessimistic time minus T naught optimistic time divided by 6 big bracket and power square. So sigma square is equal to bracket pessimistic time minus T naught optimistic time divided by 6 and whole square. So this is the variance which you're gonna use in central limit theorem for project duration calculation, and also give you probability how much chance is that you can complete. So it's a quite, if you know about statistic you can easily understand it. Question number 69. So what is standard deviation? They can ask you explain standard deviation. Standard deviation. So what is explain standard deviation? So it's the square root of variance. It is the square root of variance, which I did in question number 68. Used in normal distribution. Used used in normal distribution which is used in normal. Square root is like this is square root or power 1 by 2. So when you do sigma power under root, so you got only sigma s, you got s. It's usually represented, sigma is represented by s. The standard deviation is represented by s. uh, and variance is represented by s square. This is statistic. It's quite interesting. Yeah, so this is a statistic. Question number 70. 70 question. How we can find mean per activities on critical path to calculate project duration. How you can find mean for normal distribution. Normal distribution. Normal distribution or bell shape curve. Gaussian distribution. Actually, he did it. He was a great mathematician. Everybody knows. So, how you can find mean per normal distribution in project management? We should write down in project management where you gonna calculate project management. So this is important to write down. So what you wanna do when you have to calculate? So we add all activities Uh, we calculate three time estimates. We calculate three time three time three time estimates for all activities. We calculate three time estimates, which I did in question number 63 for all activities, and then we add up all the activities, and then we add. It's very important. Then we add all TE, estimated duration, which we have calculated for all activities. Then we add all estimate. Let's say if we have 10 activities, so we just first find out three time estimates for each activity, and when we find TE for all activities, then we add it. Then we add all TE estimated duration, and and find the mean. So that's the mean what we got. So from that, then we go further find standard deviation and all these things. So I hope you got in this video. I have covered 10 questions, and we're gonna write down like this. So usually I should write down like this, but 70 by 100. So it means that we have covered 70 questions, but in this video it's 10 questions. And thank you for your cooperation, and for giving time to us to watch to our video. So please like and subscribe subscribe our channel. Our channel. Channel on YouTube, YouTube, youtube.com, youtube.com, and the channel name is college college days, and it's at the rate of Kim education, education, small a. So this is, thank you and have a nice day, and thank you guys. Bye.